Hello everyone, welcome to the Current Affairs at the YouTube channel. In today's session, we will do important current affairs MCQs from 12th to 13th January 2026 and we will cover all possible MCQs. Please watch till the end. So coming to today's first MCQ, the National Youth Day is observed on which date? Option C, January 12. National Youth Day marks the birth anniversary of whom? Option C, Swami Vivekananda. My Bharat mobile app was launched in which month and year? Option C, October 2025. My Bharat 2.4 is developed in collaboration with which organization? Option B, Digital India Corporation. India and Germany cooperation agreement relates to which sector? Option D, it is postal, express and logistics. New National Postal Training Center will be established at which place? Option A, Shivpuri. National Sports Governance Rules were notified under which act? Option C, National Sports Governance Act 2025. Minimum number of women in Executive Committee of National Sport Bodies is? Option C, 4. DRDO tested which missile in January 2026? Option D, it is Man-Portal Anti-Tank Guided Missile. MP-ATGM has which type of attack capability? Option C, Top Attack. India's fish production in financial year 2024 to 2025 was? Option A, 197.75 lakh tons. India is the world's largest fish producer. Option B, that is India is the world's second largest fish producer. PMMSY stands for? It stands for Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. PM Dhanadhanya Krishi Yojana focuses on how many districts? Option B, 100 districts. Fisheries sector contributes approximately how much to agriculture GVA? Option C, 7.43%. National Sports Selection Panel must have at least how many members? Option C, 20 members. Which country hosted the 16th Arena Assembly? Option D, United Arab Emirates, UAE. India is a founder member of which organization? Option C, International Renewable Energy Agency. DST Nidhi Center of Excellence has been established at which institute? Option C, Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. The DST Nidhi Center of Excellence is funded by which ministry? Option B, Ministry of Science and Technology. DST Nidhi Center primarily focuses on which domain? It focuses on deep tech entrepreneurship. UPDES-CO stands for? Option D, Uttar Pradesh Development Systems Corporation Limited. UPDES-CO has been designated at what under India AI Mission? Option A, State Nodal Agency. Total number of data and AI labs planned in Uttar Pradesh is? Option C, 65. Bhashini operates under which mission? So it operates under National Language Translation Mission. Bhashini Samuday workshop will be held at which place? Option C, Dr. Ambedkar International Center, New Delhi. CEO of Digital India Bhashini Division is? Option B, Amitabh Nag. Bhashadan platform is related to? Option A, Citizen Language Data Contribution. ICAR NDDB MOU primarily focuses on which sector? Option C, Dairy sector. The full form of NDDB refers to National Dairy Development Board. EOS N1 satellite was launched using which launch vehicle? Option A, PSLV C-62. PSLV C-62 anomaly occurred during which stage? Option C, third stage, PS3. RBI issued foreign exchange management regulations in which year? Option C, 2026. These RBI regulations are issued under which act? It is Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. Which country filed the genocide case against Myanmar at the International Court of Justice? Option C, the Gambia. The genocide case at the ICJ leads to alleged atrocities against which community in Myanmar? Option C, the Rohingya community. So that's it for today everyone. If you like this video and find informative, please subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best. See you in the next video.